Welcome to Finance with Ishani, where we navigate the fascinating world of personal finance and investments together. Today's voyage takes us through the strategic realm of systematic investment plans, or SIPs, and the power they hold in achieving financial goals. Imagine accumulating wealth from 1 to 10 crore rupees, not by a stroke of luck, but by a consistent, well-planned increase in your SIP investment by 5% annually. Sounds intriguing? Well, that's the topic on our radar today. So brace yourselves as we delve into the nitty-gritty of growing your SIP investment by 5% each year. Today, we'll break down the process of SIP investment and how to grow it by 5% each year. First things first, we need to understand what SIP investment is. The abbreviation SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's a method that allows you to invest a fixed sum in a mutual fund scheme of your choice at regular intervals. This could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly based on your convenience. The beauty of SIP lies in its simplicity and the two key benefits it offers: disciplined savings and rupee cost averaging. Disciplined savings is all about consistency. Just like you exercise regularly to stay fit, you invest regularly to keep your finances in shape. Rupee cost averaging, on the other hand, helps you mitigate the risk associated with market volatility. When the market is down, you get more units for the same amount, and when it's up, you get fewer. Over time, this averages out the cost of your investment. But the cherry on top of the SIP cake is the power of compounding. Albert Einstein wasn't kidding when he called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. In the context of SIP, compounding means that the returns you earn on your investments are reinvested, and they in turn generate their own returns. Over a long period, this can lead to exponential growth of your wealth. Now, why is SIP a preferred investment method? It's simple, flexible, and accessible. You don't need a large sum to start an SIP. You can start with as little as a few hundred rupees. It's also flexible because you can choose the amount and frequency of your investment. And it's accessible because anyone with a bank account can start an SIP. So, SIP isn't just an investment, it's a strategy, a way to achieve your financial goals. Now that we have a grasp on SIP, let's delve into how to increase it by 5% annually. The first step to increasing your SIP investment by 5% annually is to have a clear understanding of your financial goals. Whether it's accumulating 1 crore in 11 years, 5 crores in 21 years, or 10 crores in 26 years, having a clear target will guide your investment strategy. Next, start with a base monthly investment. For instance, let's consider you're investing 30,000 rupees monthly. The third step is where the magic happens. Each year, you'll increase your monthly SIP investment by 5%. So, if you're investing 30,000 rupees at the start, you'll increase it by 1,500 rupees in the second year, making your monthly investment 31,500 rupees. The beauty of this method is that the increment is not static. In the third year, you'll increase your SIP by 5% of 31,500 rupees, and so on. This way, your increment grows along with your investment, bringing you closer to your financial goals faster. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if I start with a higher initial investment? Great question. If you start with 50,000 rupees monthly and increase it by 5% annually, you can reach your financial goals even quicker. Remember, the higher your base investment, the bigger your annual increment, and the faster you'll reach your target. However, it's not just about increasing your SIP investment, it's also about choosing the right equity mutual funds. Market variability is a reality, and the right fund can help navigate these ups and downs, ensuring your investment grows steadily. Lastly, don't forget the power of compounding. The money you invest earns interest, and over time, this interest also starts earning interest. This snowball effect accelerates your wealth accumulation, helping you reach your financial goals sooner. By increasing your SIP investment by 5% annually, you are accelerating your journey towards your financial goals. Let's quickly revisit the key points we discussed today. We delved into the concept of Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP, a method that allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly in mutual funds. Its benefits are manifold, from encouraging the habit of saving to offering the advantage of rupee cost averaging and the power of compounding. Next, we explored the strategy of increasing your SIP investment by 5% annually. This increment can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation, enabling you to reach substantial savings targets. We highlighted how, with a monthly investment of 30,000 rupees and a 5% annual increment, you could accumulate 1 crore in 11 years, 5 crores in 21 years and 5 months, and 10 crores in 26 years and 6 months. Remember, a disciplined approach to SIP investment and a strategy to increase it by 5% annually can fast-track your financial goals. Stay tuned to Finance with Ishani for more insights on personal finance and investments.